Woodpecker's Indexable miter gauge draws features from both our Exact 90 and StealthStop miter gauges. We're assembling all the parts and getting ready for shipping, so let's head out to the shop and take a look at how they're made. We start with the miter head. First, our high-powered laser cuts the heads from 10-foot sheets of steel. Then, we bend the head to shape with our computer-controlled press brake. The head then receives its E-coat finish and goes right into the oven to cure. After finishing, we engrave the high-contrast protractor scale in our galvo laser, shown here in real time. In one of our state-of-the-art CNC milling machines, we precision mill our patented miter bar. Then we machine the bases for the flip stop and the reticle. Once they come out of the machine, the operator inspects each part for accuracy. Over at our CNC Swiss lathe, the handles are turned and knurled. And we turn the brass flip-stop micro-adjust knob. The fence extrusions are cut to length, then engraved with their inch or metric scales. Finally, with all the parts complete, it's over to assembly where each miter gauge is meticulously pieced together, ready to ship directly to your shop. Like all Woodpeckers products, the Indexable miter gauge is made right here in our shop in Strongsville, Ohio. Take your miters to the next level with Woodpeckers Indexable miter gauge. Order yours today.